My name is Arina from class 9. I am standing before you along with my friends to present today's morning assembly. I wish a very pleasant morning to our most honorable principal ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Let us start our day with a prayer of supreme authority by joining our hands, closing our eyes, and lower down our head and start the prayer. Believe that you can with this beautiful quote. I would like to call Vaishnavi for thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is knowledge is not about showing others how much you know, but sharing with others so they also know. I repeat my thought knowledge is not about showing others how much you know, but sharing with others so they also know. Thank you and have a nice day.
An investment in knowledge based in the best interest with this beautiful quote, I would like to call Priyanshi for new words.
A very good morning, all of you. Word of the day is lambent, meaning glowing and shining gently. Sentence: as a political commentator, he is admired for his lambent wit. Thank you and have a nice day.
News is what somebody somewhere wants to suppress. So with this quote, I would like to call Bhargav to tell the news.
Today's international news are Israel Arabidab
Prime Minister A.L. Zahria, journalist Mohammed Bashar is the top commander. Second, Netherlands PM and his wife died hand in hand by euthanasia in a rare event. National news. The Rajya Sabha passed three historical bills addressing the issues of reservation for marginalized communities in the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in Jammu and Kashmir. Quater released all 8 jailed former Indian Navy veterans who were sentenced to death on charges of spying. The move came ahead of PM Modi's Quater visit. Sports news. India versus England. KL Rahul was ruled out of the third India versus England test. Devdutt Padikkal is set to replace him. Second, Virat Kohli will miss the complete India versus England test series due to undisclosed reasons. Some important days on 13 February. National Women's Day and World Radio Day. Thank you.
Luck when an opportunity comes along and you are prepared for it. So I would like to call Ifra.
Good morning, everybody. Basant Panchami is celebrated across various regions of India with different methods. Some worship Goddess Saraswati, the symbol of art, music, and learning. People visit temples, observe fasting, play devotional music. The overall environment is pleasant on the day. People celebrate Basant Panchami by wearing yellow clothes to pay respect to mustard flowers. Some play by flying kites. Basant Panchami name itself describes the festival. Basant means spring and Panchami means fifth day. So Basant Panchami falls on the fifth day of spring. It mainly celebrated in north, central and western part of India by Hindus and Sikhs. People from Nepal, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam visit Goddess Saraswati temple and it is celebrated with great enthusiasm on grand scale. Thank you.
Birthday are special occasions that call for a special celebration with special people. So let us with the birthday boy or girl. So I would like to invite those students having their birthday today.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, and my friends for these lovely wishes. Thank you.
Dear friends, we have some duties and responsibilities towards our country. We live in pledge, instill sense of patriotism and national unity. Ma'am, to candle the lamp.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning. What are we celebrating today? The day of Goddess Saraswati. And she is known for knowledge and wisdom. Okay? These are the most important things which you require in your student's life.
So it is a very special day for all of us who are somehow, somewhere connected to knowledge. You are here for what? You are here to acquire knowledge. We are here to share our knowledge with you. Okay? So we need the blessings of Ma Saraswati. We will be kindling the lamp and offering flowers, and everyone will join hands, closing the eyes and requesting Ma Saraswati to bless him or her as the strongest person containing knowledge and wisdom. Fine? समझ आया?